Biotin, the one of the B vitamins which is used by our body to metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and amino acids. This vitamin is mostly used in a form of a supplement for hair and nails health. Biotin is used in many cosmetics products for hair and skin. Biotin can be consumed in a form of a supplement. This vitamin is safe for most people when taken in doses up to 300 mg daily for up to 6 months, but mostly and commonly it is consumed as 2.5 mg daily. According to research, taking biotin will help improve hair health, including shine, volume, and will help with thinning hair. It is good for skin health as well. It improves skin hydration, smoothness, and its appearance. Foods, like eggs, sweet potatoes, salmon, liver and nuts are rich in biotin. Taking supplements is easier than maintaining a diet, but one should know how to eat supplements and when to eat them. All these questions are important before you start taking them. Talking to a health specialist must be done before consuming such things. The dose of supplements varies from person to person, and sometimes the health of a person is not suited enough to consume biotin. You must ask your doctor before taking biotin on your own if you have kidney diseases, if you had a surgery, or if you are taking some other medicines. According to research, biotin has not shown to cause any harms, but supplements that contain biotin above recommended amounts can cause false results in some lab tests. It can change levels of certain hormones like thyroid hormone. This is why you must let your doctor know if you are taking biotin so your test's results can't be false. And more than this, you are provided with the right medicines, or else if not, then it can be a cause of major issues in your body and will affect your health.